Hi, welcome to this video on how to split a video in Canva. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. To split a video, I'll start by selecting one from Canva's video selection and resizing it to fit my page. At the bottom of the page, click where it says Show Pages to see all the pages. Click on the video, select the place where you want to split it, and then right-click your mouse to select Split Page. As you can see, the video is now split into two. If you click between the two videos, you can add anything you want in the middle. I'll add another video to demonstrate. I'll select this video, resize it to fit my page, and drag it into the middle of the two videos. To show you the result, I'll adjust the duration of each video to 2 to 3 seconds. Once I do that, I'll play the video, and as you can see, the original video is split in half with another video added in the middle. That's how to split a video in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.